WaterTech, the pool invention people have developed a state-of-the-art cordless rechargeable vacuum that is lightweight, powerful, and cleans your pool and spa perfectly every time. The Pool Blaster Max Li is your smart choice for fast, powerful pool cleaning. It works without complicated installation. It works without hoses, without suction lines, and it's completely independent from your pool's filtration system. The Pool Blaster Max Li has an advanced high-flow pump just inches from the pool floor, giving you powerful and reliable vacuum suction. It cleans leaves, acorns, pine needles, and twigs, as well as small debris like sand, silt, and algae. The Pool Blaster Max Li has a reusable filter bag that captures all kinds of dirt and debris. Once filled, it's easy to clean by rinsing out with a garden hose. The Pool Blaster Max Li has been updated with an all-new push-button on-off switch and a new charging adapter that simply clicks into place to charge your unit. The vacuum features powerful lithium-ion batteries that recharge in as little as 4 hours. Its state-of-the-art cordless rechargeable battery is so efficient, it lasts for up to 1 hour of continuous cleaning. The Pool Blaster Max Li works in any size or shaped pool. You'll love how easy it is to keep your pool clean. You deserve the best pool and spa cleaner for your backyard. Results you can trust, efficient, simple, and easy.